Okay,
Bye.
I think.
Thank you so much.
All right, thanks a lot, guys.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. Bye bye.
Have a good weekend.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure we're all aligned. What we were quoted was for each month, we'll pay $400. We're going to pay $100 each week on Friday for the work that was done.
Yes, sir.
And then in terms of payment, we've had challenges with payments before. I know you guys are in Bangladesh, which is great.
Yes.
We used PayPal, but one of the people we used said PayPal didn't work well at all, and it cost him money. And like, I'm a business person, I want you to be successful so that you'll help me be successful, right? If we work
Yeah.
together, we can
Yes.
both be successful. So is PayPal okay, or is Western Union okay to make payments?
Yeah.
By
Both of
Western
those.
Union.
Yeah, no problem in here because you can pay us by using PayPal, no problem.
Okay. Sadul, you said Western Union is better?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, Western
Yes.
Union is my better.
Yeah, that's fine. It doesn't matter to me.
Yeah.
Okay, can you guys still hear me?
Yeah, yeah. I am here, very clear.
James, are you there?
Yes, Joe, I'm here. Good morning.
Oh, in
Yeah.
here, two person, I think.
I'll change
Can I-
mine and turn my camera on so you can see me. Sorry, I
Hello,
had
sir.
to get my phone worked on today at the last minute. And so I'm not in my office. I'm out waiting for my phone to get repaired. So
Welcome, guys. How are you, sir?
good. How are you guys?
Okay, so thank you so much for joining this meeting. So can I start my presentation?
Sure. Yeah, if you want.
Okay. At first, thank you so much for joining this meeting. So today's our meeting topic is about your YouTube. You have a great YouTube channel and you want to get more views, get more traffic in your channel. Am I right?
Yeah.
So for YouTube, we have three type of services available. First one is SEO. That means search engine optimization. And in this session, we have to improve your videos backend, like your videos title, description, and keyword section. And in this session, we have to research for you searchable keyword, valuable keyword, and high volume ranked tag. Ranked tag and keyword means your audience, when they want to see your videos, then they are searched by one keyword. Like if you made gaming video, if you made cooking video or anything, for example, you made cooking video, then when your audience search on YouTube based cooking video in USA, Canada, or USA, then if you perfectly include this type of keyword, your audience favorite keyword, your videos backend section, then when your audience search on YouTube by this keyword, your videos will shows YouTube and Google and also other search engine top search result. So in this way, if you perfectly optimize your videos backend section, then your videos will shows YouTube and Google top search result, and also YouTube recommend your videos to your targeted audience. And in this way, we can get our perfect result, our needed result. Okay, so also we have another method that's called organic promotion, and in this session we have to copy your videos link and we have to share by using social media site. Like we have lot of social media site, like Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, Tumblr, Reddit, a lot of. And also we have another and last method that's called Google Ads. That's mean paid campaign. And in this session, if you have money, then you can choose paid campaign. But right now and for fast, we will recommend you can go with SEO because it's organic and very powerful. So we are working together and we have a big digital marketing agency in Bangladesh and we are partner also. So can I share my screen to show you our agency, our previous work and their result?
Sure.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm gonna share my screen. As you can see, it's our website. There's domain name is Freelancing School BD and it's me. You can see in here. And if you can scroll down and if you click on our portfolio section, then you can see our lot of portfolio, our lot of previous work we already done. You can click our work proof sheet, YouTube video promotion, social media, and links. And if you click on our SEO work before and after, look at the SEO score before work and after work SEO score, then you can see lot of we already done. And if you click on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Google Ads, social media management, we already finished a lot of work. You can see and you can check it out. If you click on our team section, then you can see our whole team. I already say too, we are not only two team member. We have a big digital marketing agency in Bangladesh, and we are providing all type of services. So you can see our full team. And if you click on our client meeting section, then you can see our lot of client, and we already done with many gentlemen. So right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more other information, you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
So the services we've been talking to Sadul about, and am I saying that right? Is it Sadul? Am I saying that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, good. So we've been talking about the SEO, and that SEO is for, we do 5 episodes a week on our channel, and then we do 5 shorts a week on
Yes.
our channel. And we're talking about doing SEO for those episodes on YouTube. I just want to make sure we're saying the same thing, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. And then I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name, sir. You're the owner. I didn't catch your name.
My name is Rifat Sarkar.
My team member.
Oh,
My name is
yeah.
Saidul Islam.
Sure.
Yes.
I try to be respectful of everyone and call them by their name is all. So the second thing you talked about was basically paid campaigns to increase your reach, right? That's outside of the scope that we've been talking right now about.
Yeah. If you want to choose Google YouTube ads, am I right?
No, I just want to understand. I'm trying to understand the difference. That's all. So we know. I want to know what's available to us once we get up and going. So let me jump in, because we've had a couple different people do SEO work on YouTube, and we don't think they're doing a good job at all. And they're gaming the system to drive what we think are fake users and fake view time. That's not what I'm not interested in that. I want to build, I think our content is good. We can always improve. I know a lot of people think that whatever they make is awesome and everyone should love it. I live in the real world. That's not how it is. But our stuff does resonate with a lot of people, but we're not getting it in front of the right people because they're not doing the work the right way. And so we want to work with a group that is doing it correctly, is targeting the audience that we're trying to target, which is the US, Canada, and Great Britain specifically. We don't get me wrong, everyone, we love everybody, not saying we don't want them, but that's our primary target. I live in the United States. I talk about things as they exist in the United States. That's who we want to target. And we want to make sure it gets done the right way, because we're tired of jumping around and trying to find the right fit. So I just want to be real clear about what we're trying to accomplish before we agree on anything.
Okay, no problem. We can do everything, because we all time provide real service. If you my boy will send you our website and all of the link and information, then you can check it out by your own, our previous work and their results. So I think you satisfied perfectly, then you can give us project after watching our work and their result. Okay, and I will prefer you. Yes, of course we can work with you, and it's very organic. It's very good work, because we are YouTube expert, and we are working in here a lot of time. So that's why we can do it according to your need, according to you want. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. And then in terms of payment, we've had challenges with payments before. I know you guys are in Bangladesh, which is great.
Yes.
We used PayPal, but one of the people we used said PayPal didn't work well at all, and it cost him money. And like, I'm a business person. I want you to be successful so that you'll help me be successful, right? If we work together, we can both be successful. So is PayPal okay, or is Western Union okay to make payments?
Yeah.
Both of them.
Yeah, no problem in here, because you can pay us by using PayPal, no problem.
Okay. Sadul, you said Western Union is better?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, Western
Yes.
Union is my better.
Yeah, that's fine. It doesn't matter to me.
Yeah.
As long as I don't have to go somewhere and do it, I'm happy to do it. As long as I can do it from my computer, which I know I can do with Western Union because I've done it.
Yes.
It doesn't cost me a bunch of money either, right? I don't want either of us being charged a bunch of money just so we can pay you for your service. So good with that. And then we had our current guy does the thumbnails, and he actually makes the titles for our videos. Is that something you guys are offering as a part of the service we're talking about, or is that different than what we're talking about?
If you want to take our thumbnail service, then you can of course you can take, but it's a different service, and it's a different, and thumbnail listen korben. Oh, okay, no problem. My friend is talking about the thumbnail. It's including this service. Then he will work with you about thumbnail, no problem.
What you're gonna say?
Yes, sir. My thumbnail design is expert.
Okay, yeah, James, who you can't see, he's here. He's the other person on the call. He's our producer, and he does all of our technical work. So I do the interviews, I do the content, I write the content, but James does all the work behind the scenes. So James is the person that Sadhu will be working with most closely. So I want to make sure he's good with everything we're talking about. Are you good so far, James?
Yeah, exactly, Joe. I just want to clarify to Saidu if what you normally the requirements for the thumbnail, because as of the moment we have 3 interviews per week, so I normally and a headshot of the guest of that specific episode, so that the SEO guy can create a thumbnail using that one, and also your headshot, Joe.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Maybe I will just get your WhatsApp Saido, so that we can communicate there.
Okay, that's good.
Yep. So what we're talking about here is I just want to make sure we're all aligned. What we were quoted was for each month, we'll pay $400. We're going to pay $100 each week on Friday for the work that was done.
Yes, sir.
If we want to do Google or other things, that service is available, but it will be at an extra cost. That's fine. You're going to do the thumbnails. We're going to provide the content. We're going to do the titles. We're going to do the James, you're still going to do show notes, right?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, Joe.
Yep. So we'll do that. And then Sadul, I think you had said to properly research keywords and do the best job that you can. It's helpful to have
Yes,
the
sir.
content available at least like 2 days before we publish it. Is that right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I think we can live with all that.
My
James,
channel
what else do you have?
My channel access ko thole.
Sir, for starting our project, we need your channel access, but still we no need your channel password or Gmail. We no need. We just need your channel access by editor or manager. Do you know how to give access?
Yeah, James
Yeah.
does. James does. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah,
No problem. After finish our meeting, my boy will send you his email. Then you can give him access. Okay.
Yeah, we have we have one more video to do with the guy we're working with right now, because he's done the work. I don't want to stiff him, like we owe him money for this week. So we'll let him do today's episode. We'll pay him, and then we were gonna have you start on Monday's episode.
Okay, no problem. Okay. So thank you
yeah.
so
So
much.
I will add Saido to as a manager on our channel. Maybe tomorrow or on Sunday.
Okay, no problem.
Yep.
My boy will send you his email address, then you can. Okay.
And James is in the Philippines. So I'm in the United States, but James is in the Philippines. So he's
Okay.
closer to your time zone than I am.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sure. Yeah.
So thank you so much for joining with us.
Yeah.
All
Thank
right,
you.
thank you.
Yeah, we appreciate it. We're looking forward to getting this going the right way. I know it takes a little bit of time to ramp up. We're prepared for that, but we do feel like our content is good and we should be getting a lot more views than we are. And we just want to make sure that the SEO is done the right way, targeting the right people, and then whatever happens. We'll build the business from there.
Yes, we are professional. So if you see yes, result is coming and you are satisfied with our result, then you can carry this project for a long time. And if you see yes, result is not coming and it's bad, then you can fire us anytime, no problem.
we don't want to. That's what we've been doing. We want to find someone we can work with for a long time. One more thing, Sadul, you said it's easier and better for you to communicate in email generally.
Yes, yeah.
We'll try to do that as much as we can. Then that's fine by us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I think
Thank you so much.
all right. Thanks a lot, guys.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Have a good weekend.
Yeah.